Okay, check one, check one, check mic. Guys, am I audible to all of y'all? Just have a quick. Okay, right. Okay, Nidarshan, okay, did you get my reply? Okay, good. Hold on. Is my audio is clear much? Sir, I know already. I know that I know, sir. No problem. Okay. So why is this not clear? Seriously? Is my voice is not clear? Check one test. Right. Hold on. Okay, not clear. Seriously. Testing one, check test one. Speaker clear, no? Better, I think so. Okay, nice. Now okay. On the way, see the wiki. Okay, literally, I didn't do anything. Okay, okay, I didn't do anything at all. I'm just doing check one. That's it. Okay, and just finally got an reply telling that okay, voice is now okay. Yeah, see, even you all can hear me inhaling and exhaling. Okay, that's what we have gone with the clarity. Okay, this time I just updated with an mic that I have it at home. Assalamualaikum salam Shafan. Shafan, you have come to study today? Proud of you? Okay, nice. Why Haifa? Why are you laughing? Okay, if Kalamu people who have joined today, really great, okay, because they listen carried than it there, but however, you all have to study. That's completely fine, no problem in there. Okay, give me a couple of seconds. I just finish off with our grade 10 class. Okay, had to pray and then didn't eat anything. එහෙම ඔයගොල්ලන් ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගත්තා. Okay, done. All people are joining, no? பசிக்குது எனக்குன்னு தான்ப்பா. Okay, நானும் பசிக்குது என்ன செய்ய? What to do? Okay, I hope you guys have taken a printout of the tute. If you'll have the tute with your hand, completely fine. This is for the students who are not joining our classroom. Okay, who are new students, those who have joined. Igulan tamai me. Okay, this statement is for because you all might have not, you might not have the tute, but if you'll have the book of us, completely fine. Okay, a tute book both. Cool. Yeah, the book is there. I don't know where is it. Meeting. If you'll have this book, I think it's going to be page number 78 under functions. It's the same thing available in the tute. Couple of filtered questions I have put it in there. So better than our memory management session, I think this time the screen is little bit bigger. Okay, and also we are streaming in 4K this time, and not only that, okay, I have enabled the voice, so all your feedbacks has been taken and we taken into the play, okay, to improve our classrooms day by day. Hopefully, right. So with that regards, okay, let us begin. I hope you guys have done your FWC paper. So how was the paper first? First of all, okay. I hope you guys have got the memory management question. Okay, was it easy? Nothing amaru ide. Okay, were you all able to do it? Let's see. Como the paper kitibbe. Okay. Karana puluang unada. All good. Paper was nice, by the way. Okay, I hope you guys have done the operating system. AK database vitrai kare natte because majority from our students, especially ICT English medium ke liye kya okay, like whole set of people from Riyas Rushard, okay, because you don't see any other teachers who does ICT. Okay, so AK, many of the students are not able to do databases because we didn't do it yet. We will be inshallah starting from next month onwards. So today actually we are going to go towards the next section called as functions wala. Okay, function is the next part which I'm going to do it with you guys also. Okay, next thing is, okay, yes, planning to do these midnight sessions on every Puluantarang every month, take 2 to 3 classes. At least I'll do it with you guys. Okay, because getting a huge response from all you guys. So you're doing a great help, Kayla. So Anivaran, keep supporting. Okay, keep supporting, spreading the word. I'll definitely keep doing these midnight sessions till your exams. I'll support you all till the end. Hopefully. Nice. So hit up it to 25 batch. So if 25 batch Malila in go and sleep, go and study. Okay, do the exam. Well, paper lazy. Full basics. I think two question, a very simple one. Learn lots of concepts of ICT and go. You'll go be good to go with the lesson. Okay, any others? Any others? Any others? Any others? So, yeah. Right. So let us begin with our classroom today. I think only lighting should be done. With the light demo, it will be fine. So next week, next session, okay, light hadala, our classroom setup will be perfect. Okay, I hope today it's clear now. Right. So today's classroom, it's going to be a section called under function. So function is something like, okay, an inbuilt code which you can create. Now we have learned on certain inbuilt functions which already we have learned. A function called len, a function called split, okay, a strip. We also learned on print. Okay, now these are system defined functions. These are known as system defined function. Each and every function do have a specific meaning for it. Do you all remember these meaning? Let's see what are the meanings of this function. Okay, let's see whether you all do remember. So it returns what? So it's a system defined functions. Len is a function which used to do what? Len is a function which used to do what? Any idea? Okay, right, count the number of return the number of elements. How many elements are there? You can use this len inside a tuple, inside a list. You can use it inside a string. So basically gives you, okay, okay, basically you get it in there. Amra, you just leave the session and join again. I hope you will be okay. Is it only for Amra? I think the voice has an issue. Other than that, others are okay. Okay, split is a function which used to convert it into a string. Split is a function which used to convert it into a list. So whatever the values we have, ICT, or you have it as SAD, right? When me word deka split karna. This is what split kile kiyane. Right. Next one, strip. Remove what? Remove leading and trailing values. So it used to remove values from both the ends. Starting iketina values tikai, ending iketina values tikai. Then you have type. What this type does? These things we have learned it. Okay, hope you all remember these things. Okay, type, any idea? Okay, any idea what is Shafan? Type used to return what? Okay, this used to return the type of data, or it is data type. This used to return the data type. It used to return the data type. Upper, return in uppercase. Used to display prompt, display object. Now, see, all these are different types of system defined function used in our Python. So may functions we have learned in it. Okay, so len return the number of elements, split used to convert it into a list. Okay, list convert karna. Okay, strip used to remove leading and trailing values. So if I have any leading values like 1, 2, 3, or trailing values like spaces, it can be removed. So front and backwards the values you can remove. Print, type, upper, all these are system defined function. So basically you might have an idea what is mean by function. Function is basically an inbuilt command, okay, which is kept in Python. When you call it, it will execute. It's an inbuilt code. Function you can use this function whenever you wanted it. So අපිට ඕන වෙලාවට function එක call කරනවා. Okay, so today's classroom, what are we going to do is we're going to have a tagline throughout the classroom today. So if I ask you all, okay, the word you'll have to say how sad. Deal? Okay, so you're going to say the word how sad to us. So I'll be asking how sad. You're going to say it. So it's like the function. So I will be asking a question. I'll be asking from you all, and you guys will return me the word how sad. Is that okay? Okay. How sad. Did you see? I call the function, you guys return in there. I call this len, it returns the number of elements. I call this type, it returns the type of the data type. I call this print, it used to display the object. I use this upper, it used to give in uppercase. How sad. Same way. Did I get the idea? Concept another. So basically, a function a command එකක් අපිට යාව හදලා තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. Whenever we want, we call it. call පනියච්චි, we do it in there. Got the concept? කාලා බලන්න. ආස හිතෙයි. Another වරද Okay. Yes, exactly. So this is the introduction towards what's okay, system functions. What are these? These are system functions. Inbuilt commands. We cannot change this. Okay. Today's classroom, you will be learning about user-defined function. How can I create a function for my own so that I can do whatever I wanted? How can I create the function that I wanted? So today's classroom, you will be learning on how to create a function like this, and it will return whatever I wanted. I can customize any function I wanted. So in short, what is some function? Okay, when I call you guys, you do something. You do this. Okay, if I ask you all to do it, if I call you, do you do this task? That's what function is all about. Simply an inbuilt command. So what is the function in short? Function in short inbuilt command. You have to call this command in order to work. Okay. Question, done, deal, understood. Okay, there's another concept. Nice. So today's classroom is going to be under Python aka functions. Welcome to the world of Pythons. So today's session is going to be Python functions. Chapter 9. You'll have to start doing past papers now itself. Okay. So let's go through in the command one by one. So how can I create a user defined function? So make it my basic kicker. Okay, good. Since many of y'all requested me only, I'm just giving on changing this, no? Because many of y'all used to say that online classes are boring. Okay, it is not like a physical session. So to give you all the same experience in the Tamai, okay, we are converting into this kind of a setup. So duster வந்து கடுமலாயிடுச்சு மாமா கந்தா மூக்கு சீவுறதுக்கு, but then I used it as a duster. Okay, எதுக்கு சரி, it's just a use of it. Yeah, right. Agenda sir will do like this now. Yeah, I have anything. So is function is the hardest of all Python. Guys, we are just starting off ma. நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்க்கே ஹார்ட் சொல்லி தலையில போனா it will be hard done. Okay, function is a part of Python. Okay, basically we know what is it. If something is hard, that means you don't know. Right. If it's not difficult, you don't know basically. Right. So let's go towards function. So function okay, let's read it out here. What it says: function the first step to code reuse. You can reuse the code by use of function. Tude is available in the WhatsApp group demo. Anybody who doesn't have a tude, just drop a message to everyone telling that can I have the tude and the group link. Okay, our anonymous, who is Achilles the anonymous. So anonymous will send the PDF and the group link. Hey, anonymous anonymous could ring later. Okay, so anonymous will drop the message in the group. Okay, so got a group link you can just drop a WhatsApp message. Okay, good. They allow you to define a reusable block of code that you can be used repeatedly in your program. Python provides several inbuilt functions such as print, len, type, but you can also define your own function to use within your program. So you can also create user-defined function. In order to create a function, there is a syntax. So how does this syntax works? def name arguments a colon, remember, because it has couple of commands. Okay, statement, then every function has a return value. This return value is optional. Sometimes you can return a value or you can avoid returning a value. Okay, this return value is optional. If you wish, you can also return in there. So let's see what are the components of this code. Number one, the def. This is function definition or define function. Make keyword like for an example, like for while we have a keyword. Every function will have its own name, so you have to call by the name. Okay, something like that. Oh, sorry. Okay, Shafan, you come here. Something like that. Okay, you call by its name. So we have a function name. Okay, right? We have a function name. Then sometimes this function also will have an input. For an example, sometimes when your mother is calling you all, by the tone that she used to call you, you might have an understanding. The first time your mama is calling you, you're like, hey Riyas pa, you come here pa. Okay, like your mama is in a very good mood. So she's calling you, come here. Riyas pa, come here, I have made tea. Something like that. So the tea is the input. For this function, you are giving in inputs. These are known as arguments. Nattam parameters. Okay, or else in other words, for you all to remember, these are known as inputs. Riyaspa, I have made tea. Shafan Tangam, tea senjigre wangapa. Another Mari, mama is calling you. Okay, something like that. So you would like, mama, 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 dalana kila. You all have it. Then mama gets angry. She calls the same way. Shafan, Wanga, Tiyu, so that Tangam word is not there now. Tangam is sold it in the jewelry shop. Okay, right. That's the second type of how she calls with a different input. Did you all understand? Okay, right. The third type, Shafan, நீங்க வாரீங்களா நான் வரவா அது மாதிரிதான். Okay, yeah. Shafan, நீங்க வாரீங்களா? Shall I come or you coming in there? Okay, basically, right? Okay, and then mama, why mama, I'm studying, okay, I can't come always. Okay, just understand, I'm doing my A levels in another 2-3 months. Okay, not 2-3 months, 5-6 months. Okay, I have to study in that. This is not important. So from that side, mama will be like replying with a lie. பாருங்க ஷஃபான் பள்ளி எல்லாம் தேத்தனி குடிக்குது. Mama used to tell okay, mama used to tell this. Okay, when you don't have the tea on time, she'll be like, பள்ளி தின்னுது, பள்ளி பால் குடிக்குது, பள்ளி. Okay, பள்ளி, yeah, exactly. Okay, something like that. So finally, when you ignore everything, நாயே நீ வாரியா இல்லையா அப்படி. Okay, so basically that dog word will come. Remember, you coming or not? Okay, so Shafan is not there, tea is not there, Tangam is not there. Basically the arama, the way you call it, tamai make function name kiyala. Did you get the idea? Function name. Tangam, something like that. Palli, okay, something like that. Those are the inputs. I'll relate with a real level example also. Okay, so metana, we call it as the function clause, or else body, some kind of statements. Okay, right. If a bus say you have the return statement. Okay, this is the statement, return statement, and that will return to the main program. This is what we have it. Now this function has also something. Okay, this is the function. How do you write the command? Now in the tut I have given the function. Methanama, okay, me tut take a methanama liandone. You'll have to write it. You have to call the function name with that arguments. We call it as actual parameters. Okay, we call it as in there. This part, if I use hash, what do you mean by hash hypha? What is that hash we call it, used to call it? What do you call this hash as? Rifat, any idea what do you call this hash? To write what it means. Okay, what do you call this hash? It's a comment. We call it as a function call. Now what the hell is this hash? It's a comment. Comment. අපි මෙතන parameters කියලා දාන්නම් දැනට අපි අර ඒ word එක use කරනකොට මම ඔයාලට යවන්න. Formal actual කියලා දෙකක් තියෙනවා. So this one will come here. මෙතනට එනවා. මේ word එක දාපුවා මෙතනට එනවා. So when you call that function, Shafan Tangam, Shafan Palli, Shafan Eruma, something like that mama used to call. Erumani Varia Ilya, something like that. So that word will come to that function call and you do this quote. And this will return statement kilikiyanne. This will return to this code. Make it my function එකක් යන විදිය. So you create a code. Okay, you create a code, and that will is an inbuilt command, or you can reuse it. We call that function. Once you call it, that parameter goes into that code where you call it by the parameter. This parameter comes here. We call it as the argument, which will do a statement and it will return to the main program. So make it my function එකක් කියන්නේ. Okay. Tangam, Banga, Veli, Sunny, Nair, all fathers do that. No, especially I'm really religious. Okay, fathers have different ways of calling their daughters. Tangam, Rani, Chellam, okay, Manike, okay, I'm gonna Vada, Nair, something like that. Okay, Vani, something like that. Okay. Everybody put the color Vani, okay, something like that. Okay, yeah. What to do? The arrow says how the value goes. So make a copy karagamu dapi. Function call. Function call. Just give me a minute. Right. We have an array for the value. In the tut, we have a value. Return statement, return value. All okay? Yeah, no? Amrad, is the any still the voice is not clear? The value that we put it here, මෙයාට කියනවා අපි actual parameter. Last time, okay, my face was visible throughout the operating system lesson. So this time I have made it in there. So make it actual parameter. මෙයාට කියනවා අපි formal parameters කියලා. Still we are learning the syntax. Syntax එක තමයි ඉගෙන ගන්නෙ. තව ටිකෙන් තමයි we will be learning the coding. Okay. පල්ලා දීලා තියෙනවානේ questions ටිකක්. අපි එක කරමු හැමි. Even a comment I have to give. This is a comment. See? Right. Nice. You don't need to buy hard. You will learn when you do like 5 to 6 questions today. You will learn. Okay, nothing to worry. Today, go to end up along MCQs. Okay, I'll like MCQs. So, I'll give it to you. Okay, lesson dinna learn it correctly. Go to end up along MCQs. You can target best in MCQ with Python. Python is actually easy because you have a reason why. ఓకే. ఆర్ట్స్ වගේ ලිටරචර් වගේ ලියලා ඒකට අදාළ නෑ. okay. මොන මගුලක් ලියනවද කියලා දන්නෙත් නෑ. But then in Python, you have a reason why are we writing it. Okay. Why this is correct, why this is wrong, we have a reason, like mathematics. So ඒක තමයි we're going to learn it in here. We are going to learn it in Python. So Imam, don't worry. Once I've completed, okay, just give a thumbs up. We'll go for the next part. Seriously, you guys wanted me to do Boolean loss. Okay, I'll do it. I really hate to do Boolean loss because we have way more better questions to do than loss. I'm පිස්සු සෙට් එකක් Boolean loss කියලා. ඔළුව පරිචිත එන්ට Boolean loss කියක போறீங்க. கஸ்டமர் கேக்குறதுதானே. Networking lead function handling SQL is there. Python almost like half of them when you do past papers you will understand. Okay, but then majority bots was on Boolean loss now, so I have will do inshallah. Okay, done. So what chapter will you be coming for the FWC mostly tomorrow? 25 batch. 24 batch, they had the exam, no today. Completed, done, understood, done, understood, done, understood. Okay, questions, let's see. Done, 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 done. Today you all did part 2. Easy තමයි. මම බැලුවේ නෑ පේපර් එක. Okay, ඒක කොහොමත් easy වෙන්නේ. Just focus on your A level අප්පා. මේක කරන්නේ බොරුවට පරාදේ. Done. Okay. Now I have set of questions below. Okay. I'll explain you one. I'll explain you two exactly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Right. So we'll explain you one by one what happens in it. So number one, we have it as DEF. Add numbers. X comma Y. Return X plus Y. DEF. Greet. Name. Okay, then okay, good. Okay, done. So we have a set of command is there. My function 2 एकत्ती इन्होंने यहाँ पे एकत्ती हूँ. Okay, now here I have a couple of functions which the user has created. Sir, can you put commas instead of plus in there? Yes, you can put it. I'll come for that. Will you be sending the recording because I'm having about you will get the recording in YouTube. Okay, right. Next thing is okay. You do have couple of functions available that the user have created. So the def word allows you to create a function. That's what simply all about. So the word def allows you to create. The word of this is add numbers. May function के नाम add numbers. May function के नाम greet. May function के नाम multiply numbers. May function के square. My function too. These functions do have also input feed. Shafwan tangam. Okay. Shafwan tiutikiren. Okay. Shafwan wada. Shafwanayavada, something like that. Mama used to call by adding couple of words in there. So, okay, that is this. Shafwan Tangam. Okay, another one. Okay, men me word dikatama. How do they call? Okay, now this comes from where Kilagatat from the main program. So now can you check it out? Okay, we call the function in our to check it out. Result is equal to what it says. Add numbers. We call that function by giving values for 5, 3. What do you mean by this? Okay, in the main program, I'm calling the function add numbers. Okay, add numbers by giving 5 and 3. Therefore, the x value will become 5, y value will become 3. Did you get the concept? So I'm calling the function. May I take another function call? I'm calling Shafwan Tangam, something like that. Ek call karama, what does the code does? The code returns x plus y. So can you tell me how will be the value of result will be? Result will become 8. It would return. Terna the concept. So call kara, return kara. Simple as it is. Did you get the concept? So syntax है ना, आई syntax है कोई 3 को una de intereses de मतलब को okay, you call it. This is a variable. Result is a variable. This variable should have a value, and that value is a function call. They have called the function by giving any number. Randomly, they have given the value 5 and 3. You can give 10 and 15, 20 and 30, 30 and 100, 100 and 200. Any value can be given. So they give the value 5 and 3. So x will become 5, y will become 3. So when you run this code, it says return x plus y. So it would return, instead of this number, when you call it, returns 8. So result will become 8. So that 5 and 3 are basically, what is it? Constant with it. Copy down this. Or make erase karna, okay? Because I don't have much space. I'll keep on erasing one by one below. So this code returns a value, so you come and store it. So identifiers cannot have symbols. Now here you have used my function. You have used a dot. Ingama? It's not a dot, Raja. It's an underscore. Yeah, check it properly. It's an underscore. In the tut, it's an underscore. Only 8 is wrong. Result equal 8. Result will become 8. Okay. Then comes the second one. I hope you all have completed at a screenshot. Takari 1, 2, 3. Take a screenshot. Done. Happy. Okay. Next one is going to be this. So let's see that function call. Print result. Greet Alice. So it simply say greet Alice. So what happens here? This word greet is a function call. So how do you know? Because they have given a greet called as something. And this is the parameter. What parameter? The actual parameter. This word will go here. Okay. This will come to this. And then this will print. So what will be the print statement? What will be my output of this code? You will get hello, comma. Instead of plus, you can use comma also. So you can use plus or comma. Either way you can use it. Plus is also allows you to add multiple values. You can use comma also to add multiple values. Okay. So plus name. What is that name? Alice plus explanation mark. So this is my output. Okay. This comma will come. Inverted commas methoding every. So this is a string. Okay. Patalagandepa. This is a complete string. This is the formal parameter. And this is a string again. You can also use, instead of using plus, you can use a comma also. Completely fine. Right? Nice. You can use plus or you can use a comma. Either way you can use it. Both are can be done. Understood? Clear? Can we copy it on this also? So greet is a function name. You send this word Alice there, and Alice print whenever, so it will output. Previous one we didn't have print. Previous one was an assignment. Okay. Previous one was an assignment. Okay. This is an actual parameter, actual value. It's a value. You print hello, Alice. Understood? Clear? Sounds nice. Understood. Then obviously for that next question, you all can decide the output. What will be the output of this? The next question, you all should be able to do it. Obviously. What is the output of this? What is the output of this code? So how do you say, is it formal or actual? Whatever inside a function call is actual. Whatever inside a function definition is formal. Whatever the value parameter given inside a function call is actual. Whatever given in a function definition is formal. So how do you know it's a function definition? DEF word dikati. What is the answer? Next one. 4, 6. What is 4 into 6? Akil, 3 into 5. Why the hell you are multiplying 3 and 5? It's 24, no? The output would be 24. Right. No. Right. This one. X equal 5. Nah. Square. Do you call that square? No. So we won't have an output. Okay, we won't have an output. So why not result equal 24? Result is equal to 24. The output comes to per result. Print results. Result is 24. The output will be 24. You output also no. So that output 10. Output 10 when you say print. Okay. Make a. This will be not printed anything. Why? What is the reason? Anyone tell this won't have any prints? Why does we don't have any print? Why won't we have any print? No X. Shakla always remembering about the X. No, X is gone. Don't worry. Okay. Why is it? Exam in the pool. And சொல்லியே இல்லைங்க எக்ஸ் வந்து முகுத் மேல பீஸ் நாட்டுறான். Okay, why there won't be any output? No condition, not that word. Okay, statement illa, another word is there, good word. No input, no number, no. My function is not given. No print, nah. Okay, why did we print hello Alice? Because somebody called it. Why did we print 24? Because somebody called multiply numbers. Okay, exactly, Akif. No function but call. Nobody has called that function. யார் மிச்சனால சிங்கிளா இருக்கிறாரு. Nobody has called it. நான் எங்கடா மொரட்டு சிங்கிள், ரெண்டு நிமிஷமா மொரட்டு சிங்கிள், யாருமே வரலப்பா. Something like that. Correct, Nabil? Okay. Nabil is not morotu single. Yeah. Yes. They haven't called it. No function call. There is no output. Even though the code is being created, nobody called it. Did you all understand? Say commanded output nah, basically. Any other questions? If I have missed any of your question, you can drop a message again. Messages okay. Message reply. How do you find is that no function call? Because there will be a word like this. Word that the call correct. Somebody will call by that name. If there is call only, it will execute. Call karan nothing. Okay, mama has made the tea, and if mama doesn't call function, mama doesn't call shafan, will shafan come? No, right? Okay. So suppose a value was given, what will be the output of this? It will multiply. If you have 7, 5 to the power 2, this is power. Formal and actual program, can you repeat it again? Okay. That's under the first section. Now we want to repeat again. I won't do it. That was done in the first part. Function, listen very carefully. Them formal parameter, actual parameter, doubt in the nanny. Okay, if you all have been not attentive, you will have doubt. This is under function call section. Formal parameter, actual parameter, before the beginning of the session, I did it. Sir, any questions, doubts, anything else in here? Right. A velavator, A doubt hand. Okay, now if I'm doing on this section, ask this doubt. Do not ask from last week memory management. Okay, pointless asking. We have not learned. So I would recommend wait until I finish the session, check the recording and learn it again. So that means like how do we identify? Yeah, check the recording. Some doesn't study at all. Okay, focus. Try to focus here. I hope I'm not fast. No, am I fast? Like explaining everything in a very fast manner. Nanny. Okay. Yeah, no, right? Yeah, very small. Questions okay, then we have another command. They say x equal 5, x equal 5, my function print x. Okay, now we have this command. Check this out. Here we come across something new we are going to learn known as global variables and local variables. So focus very carefully. Here, what is the function call? May I my function call? Like, how do you know it? See, I'll repeat it again for the people who ask this question. This is function call. How do you know it? Because you have already created a function. This is the function name. Okay, Shafwan Hangam. Okay, something like that. So Mama is only calling Shafwan. There is no extra word in there. Whatever the parameter available inside a function, we call it as actual parameters. That's the actual word. Whatever the parameters inside a function definition, we call it as formal parameters. Understood? So in the function call, if you find it actual, in the function definition, if you find it formal. So how do you know whether this is a function call or a function definition? Now, there is this word. Okay, this word is there. This is the function creation. Mere word when cohere use karla thibut, it's a function call. Okay, right. Whatever the variables inside, if you use any variable inside a function, we call this one as local variable. Remember, this variable will not affect this global variable. Whatever the variable external, we call it as global variable. Now you might have an idea what is global and local. Let me clear you in this way. We have a program. We'll say this is the main program. Main.python. So it's the main program, we have it. Right. In this main program, I'm creating a variable called x5 y equal 10. Whatever the variables I have created in my main program, I call it as global variables. Okay, done. I'm having a function def x y equal to 10 z is equal to 5. See, inside a function also I have a variable. That means this y and this y are two different variables. A variable that is created or assigned or used inside a function, we call it as local variable. A variable that is outside the function in the main program, we call it as global variable. These two are two different variables. If you do any changes here, this will not affect that y. If you do changes there, that will not affect this. So two separate variables. Now we have learned about variable. X equal 5, y equal 10, like containers. My variable. May containers. Okay. This is what a variable. I have a variable here. I have labeled it as 7404. I have a couple of IC here. I have labeled this 7432. I have labeled, these are like containers. These are variables. Now, this variable which has value, if I create a variable in my main program or anywhere without a function, we call it as global variable. If I create a variable, use a variable, or assign a variable inside the function, function के अतुल करत, make a function के अतुल करत, we call it as global variable. Okay, that's the two different in there. So what happens here? So I have my x, which is my global variable. What is the value of x? 5. X equals 5. Done. My function without any parameters, Shafwan, சும்மா கூப்பிடுற. ஷஃபான், தங்கம், மாடு அதெல்லாம் இல்ல, ஷஃபான் சொல்லி சும்மா கூப்பிடுற. So when they call in there, it goes by telling nothing. It goes here also nothing. Okay, in the previous question we had a value. So this question we don't have a value. So it's just calling the function. Here you're calling and telling a keyword called as global reference. Global reference. What this keyword does it will say from here onwards, whatever the variable you are going to deal is going to be the global variable. Global reference we are going to use the global variable to change the data. So it will change this. It's a global reference. Global reference x equal 10. What will happen? X will become 10. Print x. So what will be my output of the code? Output of this code will be what? 10. And you come here, make you come to this next line, again print 10. So this code will print 10 twice. Why 10 twice? Metana print 10, make him pallar, make it under. Here also you will print 10. That's what all about. Okay, metana print la, adana print la. Check with this question. What this question says? My function to, what is the value? What is the value? 30. Methanic, print x. So what will happen here? It's calling this function by giving the x. Now this is non-local, meaning what? It goes for the local variable. Okay, it refers to the local variable. So basically it refers and tells not the global variable, it will refer the local variable here. So you have non-local x equal x plus 10. So what is the value of x? X value is 30. So how do you know 30, sir? Because see, 30 goes here, that is x. X plus 10 के लिए क्या नहीं बना मैं आगे expanded version x equal x plus 10. मैं आगे expanded version ने क्या बोला x equal x plus 10, that will become 30 plus 10 40. So you will have an output of what? 40. And then once after coming after this, you print x again. This x will print my global x. You will have 10. Did you all understand this? This 40 comes from the local variable. This 10 comes from the global variable. That's my previous question. Okay, that's my previous question in there. We'll do questions, we'll understand. Okay, copy down this. अभी past paper questions करूं. Non-local instance, local variable. Global instance, global variable. We are linking both up, both questions together. We'll do questions, okay? Take a related make a explain about I'll do the question. Anybody who doesn't know this? That's a basic one. X plus 10 equal 10, so x equal x plus 10. It has two output, 40 and 10. I'll explain you with another question also. Mm. Okay, done, completed. Okay. I'll do with another question with this concept of global and local variable. ඊට පස්සේ අපි බලමු කොහොමද යන්නේ කියලා. So how Tom turns comes as the answer. How did you get in as the second output? Okay, global variant in කියලා දීලා නෑනේ. Previous question එකත් එක්ක connect කරන්න ඕනේ අපා. Okay, අපි කරමුකෝ එකක්. Okay, done. So focus here again. Yes. Ek product focus out to not Amaroi to catch up with everything. So for the people who said majority of the people who didn't understand, I'll do again with another question. Done? Deal? Okay, the question goes as follow. Everything is connected, eh? So x equal to 5, y equal to 15, temp is equal to x. Harne? Okay. Ita passe DEF my function x equal x plus 5 print x. DEF my function to y global y plus equal 10 print y. Then I have print x comma y comma z. Okay. If I run this command, okay, what will be my answer? That's what it's going to be. Okay. Make code make a code dekak. Oh, xy temp def my function 2 and print. So we have to run the entire code and find what is the answer. Here comes the global and the local, everything will come. So we're going to find the answer by running a dry run. So let's find out the values of x, y, z. X, y, z. What are the values of x, y, z? That is 5, 15, z kila temp kila තියෙන්නේ. So what is the value of temp? What is the value of temp? Temp will be equal to x. That means that will be also 5. Sounds good. Are these variable global or local? Are these variable global or local? Global variable. Why? Because they are out of the function. Global variable. Nice. Okay. Let me call the function. I'm going to have function calls. Function call. Let me call the function. My function 20. My function 2. This doesn't have anything. So it's my function 2. Okay, so we are having two function call. The temp isn't temp na. You can write whatever temp or t. Okay, right, okay, fine. Hurry. So what happens next? These two codes reside by doing nothing. I have to call the function. The first function I'm calling the value x, that will be 20. Okay, it will generate a value x. So you will assign the value x there. X equal x plus 5, 20 plus 5, you will get 25. Now this x is a variable that is assigned inside a function. You might ask, so there is another x there, no sir? It's not, are they the same or is it a separate one? Yes. A variable assigned inside a function, we call them as local. Unless you haven't used the word global word use kare, you are creating a new variable. So metana, we are creating a new variable called as what? We will be creating a new variable called x, and this new variable will be a local variable, assign the value 20. So kohomada said 20 aave? Because my function I'm calling by giving 20. This 20 comes here. So you will have 20 plus 5, it will become 25. Print x, what will be the value? Okay. What will be the value? Output. What is it? 25. It's not 5, it's 25. Did you all understand? Why local? යකෝ මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන variables දන්නේ කිව්වෙ මම local කියලා. කීපාරක් කිව්වද? Okay, variable inside a function is local. මේක පිස්සු සෙට් එකක් ඉන්නේ මෙතන. Have to spoon feed everything. The output is a local variable. Yes. When you do the next question, you will understand the difference. Next one, what happens is you're calling my function 2 by doing nothing. So you will call this function and you're referring now to the global value y. First example, we didn't have a global variable. Methana, you have a keyword called global variable. Now whatever the function changes you do, it will apply for the global variable. Y plus equal 10 කියලා කියන්නේ මොනවාද මෙයාට? Y equal y plus 10. So what will be y plus 10? Y is 15. 15 plus 10, 25. Who will get updated? Global Y will get updated because you have used the word called global. So if you haven't used the word called global, that means it's a new variable. See, both are X. One is outside the function, what is inside the function. You will print Y, so you will print 25. When you come here, you print again. So what are the values? X comma Y comma 2. So 5, 25, 5. See, this is my output. So I did this first. Check this out. බලන්න තේරුණාද නැද්ද කියලා section එක. So how did you put 20 there? Which 20 pa? This 20 only comes here. My function 20. X will become 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So when we print, how to identify to print local or variable? If it's inside the function, you print the local. If it's outside the function, you print the global. If it's inside the function, now summa 20 important. If it's inside the function, whatever inside the function is local. If it's outside the function, global. Output එකට x equal 25 දාන්නද? No. Output එකට x equal 25. No, we didn't change it. Only that x25 is a local variable. Just check it out. Local, global, venas. I just randomly put this 20. இப்போ பிரச்சனை என்ன தெரியுமா? சார் இந்த 5 எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சு? இந்த 15 எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சு? this 20 எப்படி சார் வந்துச்சுன்னா it's a randomly found අම්මේක. Okay, උඹලා set එකේ ඉන්නානේ ඒකත් හොයනවා. So why this 20? Why this 50? This is for the example මේක 20 දැම්මේ. Okay, done. Questions? The 25 find or no or in the 25 local variable. Local variable like a second 25. The code run panna exact answer வருது. That's why you say, okay, trust the professor. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if you just type it and run it also, it will be the same thing. So random, whatever number we can put. Yeah, you can put whatever the number. Exam question eකට මාරු වෙයි. We'll do that. So when they say the word global, you do the changes. If they didn't say the word, you just take it as a new variable. So if it's been used within within a function and that function has the word called as global, so now you do changes for the normal variable. Nothing, it's a new one. Why did this x become new? බලන්න මෙතන බලන්න. X is a new value. How did you get x as a new value? Because here you haven't said anything. It treats as a new x. So you can have 2x, you can have 2y, you can have 2 temp. One is global, local, global, local, global, local. Last print the global because it's in the main program. No, it's not within a function. This is in the main program. We'll do questions, okay? We'll do questions. We'll have an idea. So whatever you have, copy it down and see. So last x, y, z global. Yes, because it's outside the function. So if you print the answer inside the question, will x be printed as 25? Method another. I didn't get you. Which? Now here you have three print statement. The first print statement is this. The second print statement is this. The third print statement is this. Yeah. If it's inside the function, it will print that exact variable. Happy? Understood? Okay, so ලොකුවට උළුවට දාගන්න concept එක නෙමෙයි ඈ. ඒකලා තව එපා වෙන දේවල් තියෙනවා. இதெல்லாம் தலையை போட்டு கொண்டு இது கஷ்டம் சொல்லிட்டு கஷ்டத்துக்கு என்ன சொல்றேன். ஓகே මේකටොඩා දේවල් තියෙනවා. correct ஷாஃபான். எல்லாம் ஒரு பிரச்சனையா? ஐயா all time கில்லி அந்த ஏரியா இந்த ஏரியா. So global area is like அந்த ஏரியா இந்த ஏரியா அங்க இடம் இங்க இடம் all okay all ஐயா கில்லி அதே தான். Okay, done. Next one අපි note එක පොඩ්ඩක් complete කරලා දාමු. Next one next page එකේ තියෙනවා note එකක්. That's going to be function concepts. Okay. Function concepts. So under the function concepts, we have local variable, global variable. So the first thing is we have global variable. What is global variable? Global variables is a variable that is identified outside any function. Just remember, a variable which is not declared inside a function is global. You don't see it inside a function. Or a class can be accessed from anywhere in the program. You need to use the global keyword to indicate that you're referring to the global variable. Okay, so example, x equal 5. Simple. Next one, local variable. Okay. Variables assigned within a function are known as local variable. DEF, f equal x equal x plus 3. Now this is a local variable which is inside a function, which is a local variable. Okay. You have the definition of function, you assign x, and that is a local variable. Next one, create a function. Afterwards, you have call a function. And afterwards, you have pass arguments. And then finally, you have docstring. Okay. So create a function, call a function, pass arguments, docstring. So let's see what is it. Number one, create a function. Use a DEF keyword to create a function. DEF. You can create a function like this. You can call this function calling like if. This is a function call. You can pass arguments into a function. You can say add numbers, 3, 10. These are what parameters? actual parameters. So why say it becomes actual parameters? Because it's inside a function call. So how do you know this is a function call? Because it uses a bracket and there is no def word. Information passed into a function is known as uh, arguments. To a function definition, by including a docstring, literally you can just jump after the function header. Docstrings are usually triple quoted to allow multi-line description. So if you wanted to give a description about your function, you can create a docstring. If you wanted to give an description about your product or else description about your function, let's assume like this. We'll say f equal 5. Now we have no idea what is this f. So you can write a docstring. You can use triple inverted commas. Okay, usually you can use triple inverted commas. So docstring usually triple quoted allows you to have single or double. Either way you can use it. You can say in there. Okay, this function. Okay, returns the we can say prime number. Okay, in other words, this docstring is like a comment in the code. Code goes here. So it's like a comment basically, right? So docstring is also known as a comment for a function. So you have local variable, you have global variable, okay, variable which is assigned inside a function. You have function creation, you have a function call, you have passing arguments, that is you send value inside a function. You have a comment for a function known as docstring. Okay, you have to write these codes between those spaces in function concepts. If you all have questions, you drop a message. We'll go for the past papers. ഇതൊക്കെ fun again, fast papers. I'll start with an easy question also. Once you'll have completed, let me know. Okay. Nice, nice. Done, 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 done. Happy? Good, good. Okay, nice. So what time this session will over? I will finish this past paper and finish it. If you feel sleepy, you can check the recording tomorrow. I'm not well, but still I'm doing the session. Today we didn't have the revision class because of that only I was not well. You're like, sir, you don't seems like you're in a customer. So you don't feel ill, no? Okay, only I know my pain. Okay. Nice. Okay, good. So, next thing is going to be okay. Next thing, okay, we are going to go through the next part is going to be the past paper edition. But before that, okay, I want to talk about a special person. Okay, okay, this person will be there with us. Okay, some of y'all might have this person throughout your life. Okay, some of y'all might have this person at you might lose this person at the middle. Some of y'all from throughout your starting ages, you might not have this person. Okay, because of family goals and everyone. Okay, sometimes you might have this person. You wish to have this person beside you right now, and that person is always a loving person to all of us. That's our dad. Okay, so just want to tell about that. Okay, because we always talk about mother. Okay, how mother is special, how mother sacrificed life in that. Okay, how mother loves us all about. But there is a person who we don't talk about. Okay, an unspoken person is our dad, because at the age of 5 to 6, you will find your dad is your hero. He knows everything. Okay, and at the age of 12 to 15, okay, you might have an idea. My dad knows something. Okay, what he says may be correct or wrong. At the age of 18, you might find your dad is completely wrong and he's out of date. Okay, dad knows, doesn't know nothing. Okay, this is new fashion. At the age of 25 to 26, you might feel that I could have listened to my dad, maybe because what he said was correct. At the age of 35 to 50, you would tell, okay, let me ask for my dad first. At the age of 60 or 70, you feel that I want to talk to my dad again. So, dad is a very special person in all of our lifetime. Okay, some of y'all might get angry because of his actions, some of y'all might not talk to that person, some of y'all might have lost your father, but then okay, that okay, the manly umbrella who protects the entire family, that is always special. Okay, so if you feel okay that you wanted to show some love to your dad, okay, just go and hug him. Okay, because dads are always special. I really miss my dad. Okay, he is not there with me for almost like uh 18 years, maybe 18 to 20 years he's not there. Okay, but then was with my mama only. Okay, I don't know why I'm emotional right now, but then okay, every dad is special. So why I want to tell it is okay, just listen to some stories. Kattiya Bainava. Okay, my father is not good. My father he is he scolds me, he doesn't listen to me. Okay, today also recently an incident. Okay, a student okay spoke to me and he was like scolding his dada and telling okay, yeah, something my dada doesn't allow. But then you just realize, you will realize at one age he's correct. Okay, He's always correct in there. So that's not all about. Just wanted to tell about that because we don't take a time to talk about that, Anna. So today I just wanted to take that time and tell it. Okay. So if you just love him, go and say love you, dad. Okay. Or Eswartha, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇದು pony சொல்லுவாரு, but then okay, that's how his love language is. Okay. Mother wants to show love, dada doesn't show love in there. Okay, so that's what all about. Okay, sometimes certain things will take time for y'all to realize. Me, at the age of 18, I just realized that my dad is wrong, but at the age of 25, I just believe that I should have listened to my dad. Okay, not that I have done a mistake, but then whatever things has happened in life. Okay, okay, that's what it's all about. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Okay, some people might have that, some people might not have. That's beautiful, no? Okay. So in the Ravel Pithana Deda Katipudi Dida True. Okay. The only thing, okay, keep remembering your parents in your duas always, okay, because those two are very important people in life. Okay, do not okay give up your duas. Very important. Let's go for the next part. Right. Okay, let's me start off with some past paper questions. Okay, Mama past paper nang. Until then, I'll write the past paper. What shall do it is okay. Uh, okay, I'll just write the paper in there. Okay, Mama question ke liya nang ito ko ngulang karand. Okay, A level 2021 question number 1 ne ka Mama karamu. Okay. A level 2021 question number 1, what is the output of the code? एकने हालत ये ने right x equal to 10 def my fun a. Okay, global x, find whether your answers is correct. A equal to x plus a, x equal to 30, return a. This is outside the function. Print my fun x. Just tell me what is the output of this command. A level 2020. Okay. Mama main questions તમે કરવાને હતા. Okay, because for you all to get into practice, it was different difficult questions right? X equal to 1 def my function p comma q. Okay, global x. Seriously, is it also global x? The global x க்கு வேற வேலையே இல்ல. Okay, p comma q equal q comma p, x equal x plus p, my function x comma 3, print x. Can I write it here? Yeah, no. A level 2019. Perone. XC question number 1. X equal 50. DEF function y. X equal to 2. Y equal to 4. Function x. Print x. Take a moment, will you, Pa? Try to find the answer of this. If you have understood, කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. questions තුනක් දුන්නා. So මේකට වඩා deep questions අපි යන් තව ටිකකින් but මේක basic එක. Let's like warm up questions ටිකක්. එකක් හරි වුණොත් ඔක්කොම ගන්න පුළුවන් හරියට. Once completed, let me know. It's almost 12, 2 hours. What is the answer of the first one, Pa? 2021. Okay. Akil, any idea? Can do it. Whatever that knowledge that we have done today, can should we be able to do? 20? Okay. Let's see. Anonymous. Akil the anonymous. The anonymous Akil the anonymous. Hello, done. Shall we check this out? So my fund. பேர மாத்தி வந்தாலும் கூட equal to அந்த வடிவேல படவண்டிக்கு தானே போக்கிரியில மண்டைக்கு வெளியில கொண்டே விட மாத்தேன் அதே மாதிரி தான் அகில் comes in different names and we are still able to identify him. Okay, this Zefa always fights with all the boys. First with Minhaj, now with Akil. Rifdan, what is the answer? Okay, let's see. Have a look. The question says, what is the output of the code from A level 2021 paper? Okay. එක question එකක් හරියට දැනගත්තොත් ටක ටක ගාලා අනිත් ඔක්කොම කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Rule number one. Rule number one when you're doing past paper questions that every question allows you to learn something. So if you don't know, if you have made a mistake, make I have to learn it. So next question එකත් එක්කම ඒකම බලා ගන්න තමයි තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? Okay. එතකොට let's see. Here x equal 10. Can you label whether is it global or local? Quickly. Let's also annotate. Let's also learn the description about this code. Is it global or local? It's global. Why? Because it's outside the function. Def my function A. So print my function kilo keyword. So now x. What is the value of x? You're sending the value of x. That's 10. This 10 goes here, and what will be the value of A? That's also 10. Did you all understand? X value 10. That 10 is given to the function that A. Now here, A is a local variable, X is a global variable. So X is a global variable, A is a local variable. X global and A local. What is the value of X? 10. What is the value of A? That's also 10. So you are referring global X. Can you tell me what will be the value of A? What will be the value of A? X plus A. What is X plus A? 20. X equal 30. Understood? Sounds fair? Nice. Return A. So you would return A, the value of A. So what is the output of this code? 20. Ta-da! Ta-da! There another. යකෝ ඒකේ වැලියු එකනේ අහන්නේ x30 වුණාට ඌ 30 අපි print කරන්නේ නැහනේ ඒකේ වැලියු එකනේ return කරන්නේ so you return from the code A. Understood? X equal 10. Nice. Okay. Print my function x. So x is 10. You send this x as an input. This is actual parameter. This is formal parameter. Okay. Right. Global x a equal to 20 because x is 10, 10 plus a is 10, 20, x equal 30. Return a. You are returning the value of a. Your value of x is 30. You don't put 30 there. It's a. What about this? X equal 1. This is again a global variable. So x equal 1. Okay. You are sending value. You are sending P and Q. So X, P, Q. Allah. So you are sending X is 1. Can you tell me what will be the value of P and Q? What will be the value of P and Q? The value of P and Q. P will be X. X will be the value of 1. Q will become 30. Global X. P comma Q equal Q comma P. A comma B is equal to 5 comma 3 respectively. So A will become 5, B will become 3. A comma B is equal to 2 comma 3 respectively. What do you mean by that? That is this. So what will be the value of P? P the value will become Q. Q the value will become P. So P will become Q. Amma todu. So metana 3 වෙනවා. metana 1 වෙනවා. අද අවුලක් නැහැනේ. All okay? Right. X equal X plus P. X equal X plus P. X equal X plus P. Oh. What will be output? Oh. Baland, Jai Hind, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. If you can get the answer, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. Ah, Jai Chitomara. Jai Chitomara. Okay, nice, nice. එක Python එක කොහොමද කියලා ගත්තත් if you start to do questions and if you feel interesting you keep on doing questions. ඒක තේරුම් නැත්නම් එපා වෙනවා. ඒක තේරුණොත් it's like fun. Like you just want to do more questions. Like okay, you want to find how do you get this answer? කොහොමද මේ answer එක ගන්නෙ? Next one. So பொறுமை இல்ல sir. Next one அறக்குங்க sir. So again, global my function y. So the value of x is 50. The value of y also will become 50. X equal to. Now this x equal to, is it a global or a local variable? That x equal to, it's a local variable, remember. So you will have a column called x and y, that's local. This is global, remember. 2 and 4. This code doesn't print anything. This code doesn't return anything. You have print x outside the function. Can you tell me life-changing moment? Will it print 50 or will it print 4? Which one is the answer? Dung dung, dung dung, dung dung. Okay, yeah. Obada Lakshapati, Mamada Lakshapati Mari. Will it print 50, the global variable, or will it print 4, which is the local variable? 50 or 2, sorry, 50 or 2, 4 ಇಲ್ಲ 52 ಬೆಂದೋನೆ ಹೊಂಬಟ ಯಾಕೋ 52 ಪಿಸ್ಸು ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೋ ಇವನ ತಾರನ್. It will print the global variable. Why? Because it's not inside the function, it's outside the function. This print statement is outside the function. If you find it inside, it will print 2. So the answer will be, it will print 50. 50 is the answer. Ta-da! Ta-da! There's yet more to do it. People who are from Saturday students, okay. Saturday we will do lots of questions. File handling, midnight session so in Saturday I can focus on doing past papers with you guys. Doing a Saturday night session is really hard. You have to stand up and do it for a long time. So then local ones Sumatan Tandi kind of yeah. Confuse karana dil तीन ने. Can't. You write it. Okay. Anonymous. See, Akil. The anonymous Akil. Understood. I don't know why you have joined, but good if you are learning. So, okay, okay, twice. Anonymous Kumari Adil. Okay. Shall we go for another question? Huh. Nice. Meanwhile, you guys are. I'm going to write the question. I want you guys to do the question. A level 2022 question number one. A level 2022 question number one. Let's try that. A level 2022 question number one. Five. Okay. Okay. What is the output of this code? What is the output of this code? First, understand what the code is all about. Decode it very carefully. Okay, know one by one what this line does it, and then you're good to go with the answer. Answer, I think it should be 13 or something. Can't remember. Okay. Can't remember. 12 less than 13 dannine pudda balanna one. Okay. Shall we discuss the question? Right. Okay. Now let's see how to do this question. Let me also decode it all one by one. 18 dannine balanna karla. Hurry. So here there is no function or anything in there. It's all about a loop. So there are two repetitions available. Okay. VAL, that's the variable. So we'll put it as here. VAL, that's the variable. Okay. So we have a for loop here. Put the for loop here, and that's I. So we have val, that's 9. Completely fine. Okay. Listen very carefully. Mathing stuck kunot, it will be difficult for you all. Okay. So focus very carefully for this question. Alright. Let me decode what happens in this is a repetition where they have assigned a variable called I. Okay. A variable called I that goes in the range 5. That means the ending value is 5. They haven't set the starting value, so it will go from 0 to 4. Do you all agree with this? Okay, make it my code again. 4 is a repetition which knows how many times to repeat it. For I in range 5 kilokeyword, I doesn't have a value. Check. Okay, range 5 kilokeyword, 5 is the ending value. We don't end in 5, we end -1. So it will be always -1. So you will go till 0 to 4. Check, done. So I will go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. හරිනේ. Okay. ඒකේ ඇතුළට ආපුවම තව variable එකක් තියෙනවා. J in range 231. So you start in 2, you end it in -1, and you step 1. So can you tell me this J loop will start with what number and will end in what number? J loop will start in what number and end in what number? It will start in 2. 2 minus 1 will be also the ending value 2. So J loop එක 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Again, 4 එක 1 0 no J will become 2. 4 එක 1 no J will become 2. 4 එක 2 no J will become 2. Because every time he will become 2. A. Because when you go up again in this code, make a after completing the code, when you go up again, J will become 2. Because when you go up and increment the value of 5, when you come down, J will become 2. When you go up and increment the value of I to 3, J will become 2. Did you all understand this? 2 repetition which has an inner loop and an external loop. Inner loop එක ඉවර වෙලා එළියට පැන්නාම ආය loop එකක් එනවා ඇතුළට. It's like this. You have a loop here. This is the outer loop. මේක ඇතුළින් පැන්න ඇතුළට ආපුවම there is an inner loop inside. So inner loop එක තමයි this J. Outer loop එක තමයි this I. Did you all get the concept? තේරුම් නැත්නම් code එක මැදින් stuck වෙනවා ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ නැති වෙයි. So 4 ඇතුළට ආපුවාම there is another loop. And that loop J only repeat once. AI වරුණාම එළියට පැන්නාම ආය I. Again you go inside, that's J. It only repeats once. Thank God. නැත්නම් එපා වෙනවා. Okay, when you come out, I will become 3. When you jump in, J will become 2. Jump out, jump. So that means 2, 3, 1 part can repeat. Okay. Right. Understood? Clear? Got the concept? This is, you can customize the I range bar. If they have given ending value only, you start in 0. If they have given a starting, ending and step, you start in 2, you end it -1, that will become 2, and you have step. Step කියලා කියන්නේ 1 by 1. Okay, nice. Let's go through the code. Val 9, check, done. Okay, I in range, I will become 0. You come inside the loop, J will become 2. Val equal plus 1 kilokane, what do you mean by this? What is the extended version of this? This is val equal val plus 1. So what is val plus 1? Value plus 1, that will become 10. Beautiful. Okay, is 10 percentage 2. What is 10 percentage 2? 10 divided by 2 remainder. So what is this code? Remainder. 10 divided by 2, what is my remainder? 0. Is it equal to 0? Yes or no? If it's yes, you come to continue. What does continue does? Continue will skip the command and go to the nearest loop. Continue we'll skip the command. The next question that we're going to do it is break. Okay, so continue, what he will do, he will skip everything and go. That's what we learned in our yesterday's session. Okay, continue and break. Break will stop the repetition. Continue will skip everything and go up. So method longer, the nearest for loop. So he will go up. J has already finished because J only repeat it once. So you go to the I. May I exit because why? J is supposed to repeat only once. I have to repeat it 5 times. 0 to 5. So pass does the same thing. So I goes in there. I will get incremented. So I will get incremented. Once you come here, J will become 2. Well equal well plus 1. That will become 11. Understood? Now it will become 11. 11 mod 2. What is 11 divided by 2, the remainder? 1. Is it equal to 0? Nah. Else val plus 2. What do you mean by val plus 2? What do you mean by this? Value equal value plus 2. Sahla, can you tell me, ma, what is val plus 2? 11 plus 2? 13. Have you completed the for loop? Not yet. You have to complete till here, me. So you go up. J is finished because J repeats only once. I ek increment karamu. I will become 2. When I becomes 2, you come inside, J becomes 2. Well plus 1, what is well plus 1? 14. Is 14 mod 2 is it equal to 0? 14 mod 2 is it equal to 0? Yes, Puta. It is equal to 0. You go up. May I varai? J is only repeating once. So I will become 3. Okay. I will become 3 now. Methaning 3 unit, you come inside. J will become 2. Well plus 1. 15. Now 15 mod 2. What is 15 mod 2? 1. Is it equal to 0? No. Well plus 2. What is well plus 2? 15 plus 2? 17. Okay. Go up again. J is finished. I. The last round. Okay. When I equal 4, J will become 2. Well plus 2. 18. 18 mod 2. What is 18 mod 2? 0. Is it equal to 0? Yes. Continue not. For loop ends. I also ends. So may loop end do not. You will come out like this. Print well. So what is the value of print? 18. So people who got 18, hats off. People who didn't get 18, that means kohari chakablas silati. Then well plus 2 equal varadema. Because kadasiki vande continue udadeno. You will skip everything. Make him pallatinike hamaikam skip kano. Continue not, he will skip. Break not, he will stop. Beautiful, nice. Who could got the answer? Who was able to get the answer? Kata the answer. I got 18, but I did in a different way. However, you got 18, no, that's enough. You do the same thing in the other question also, see whether you are getting the same answer. Programming a rule like if it works, do not touch it. Yeah, if it works, do not touch it. That's it. Got acharu, sir. I was on it. You have to learn each and every code properly. Again, I'll give a small tip. Make a monahari terun nattang. 2 things only. Number 1 is you don't know each and every command what it does. Okay, what does this v plus val? No, it should be val plus something. Okay, what does this val plus equal 1 done? What does this continue done? What does this percentage done? So 2 things only. When you don't know the keywords, you can't do it. Second one is you mess up the flow. Flow okay, I set it from I0 to 4. Check that. J2222 කර check done. Okay flow එක කරගෙන පනින්නේ නැහැ. Okay එහෙට මෙහෙට පැනලා යන්නේ නැහැ. මේක කරලා මෙහෙට යන්නේ නැහැ. මෙහෙට කරලා ඒක කරන්නේ නැහැ. If you get stuck, raise everything and do it again. Okay, done. Beautiful. Shall we go for a break question? Break question එකක් දාලා. This is on the break. You will find that break question in page number 5, question number 3 in A level 2021. So A level 2021. Question 3. Show your code board. Code board sonenappa. I didn't get you. Code board කියන්නේ. Codes board. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Ha. Page number 5, question number 3. Chalo pages nine up all 2003 question number 3 tane. Ikirde nala anjo question adala page number idiot. Okay. ALL 2023 question number 3. That's it. Yeah, it's in the tute. Just check. Question number 3, that's under if else and everything. If anyone using anyone who is using our class tute telegram page number report or drop kar message joke. Anybody who is using our class tute page number 93. Thank you pa. Question number got done. I don't know pa. Akil. Inge. Okay, good. Ask my question. It's a repetition type question. See whether you all are able to do it. A level 2021 question number 3. Any idea what is the answer? ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆತಲ್ಲ ಗನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಲස්සನ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಕೋಟಿ ಇವರು ಇನ್ನೆ ಉಡ್ಡ ಒಳ್ಳ ಗೀಲಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ಫೈನಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So this is A level 2021 question number 3. Beautiful. The break is you end the code. Okay, when you encounter it, 14 தூக்கம் சார் 14 வந்தா நான் நிம்மதியா தூங்குவேன் சார் இன்னைக்கு. 14 is it that answer? So 14 is coming. I have no idea. Is it 14 like here? Dannine. Matakane. Man kara me question kuda call karla dino. 14 wanda papam. Shall we do the code? Okay. First we'll decode it. What are these? This is a question and if and else you are supposed to find out the answer of okay S one by one. So the initial value of S is 1 and I is a variable. Okay, and that goes in range from 1 to 10k. Like here, 1 is the starting number and 10 is my ending number. Am I correct? But minus 1. So I goes from what number to what number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have to go through one by one. So it has to repeat 10 different times. Let's take the initial value of I as 0. So this is I rotation. Okay. I 1, 2, memory operator, right? 0 0 varaduma. 0 varadi. It will be from 1 to 9. No? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, nice. So when I is 1, is it less than 5? Yes or no? If else. May I yes or no? So this becomes yes. So if that becomes yes, what is it? S equal S into I. What is the value of S? 1. What is the value of I? 1. 1 into 1, 1. Go to the next value. I will become 2. All good? Because if this becomes yes, make it else. Else if and else. So you do this one if this becomes false, you do this one when this becomes false, and you end it when you end counter break. Right? Okay. So did you all understand? I becomes 2. Is I less than 5? Yes. Okay. I is S into I. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. I is 3. Yes. 3 into 2 is 6. Yes. 6 into 4 is 24. Now the value of I is 5. Is 5 less than 5? No. No, not you come here. When that becomes no, is I less than 8? Ah, yes. Second game ought to, that becomes yes. I equal S minus I. Now, what is the value of I? 5. What is the value of S? 24. 24 minus 5? 19. Okay. Go up again. I is now 6. Is 6 less than 5? No. Is 6 less than 8? Yes. S equal S minus I. 19 minus 6? 13. Sounds okay? Right. I will become 7. Is 7 less than 5? No. Is 7 less than 8? Yes. 7 minus 3 will give you how much, Raja? 3 ke liye 4 6 the 6. 8. Is 8 less than 5? No. Is 8 less than 8? No. 8 is not there than 8. So it will be S equal S plus I. What is the value of S? 6. 6 plus 8? 14. Sir, Tom, sir, break you will not do I. Again, because break is where you stop it. You stop the I when it's 9, or you break end karla. You print the value of S. Output will be 14 Lamaila. Devame. happy. If you Allah got it in that. Okay. 19 hours, seriously? 19 you got it? Got it? 19, 11 or oh, sorry, 14. 14. Find the 10. Okay. Usul pe ito. Do you all want me to do another question? Or that's enough for today? Anonymous, I have to find it where. Okay, Anonymous, I have to find it where is it? So another questions? Okay. Some says will enough for today. Only one person says enough. Okay, major of y'all are saying so. We'll go for another question. Or alauta, sir. Or alauta. Anonymous Akil. Anonymous Akil. Hari, our question Kerala will end it because our questions will do it in upcoming classes. Maybe in the online session or else in the theory class, we'll meet up and do it. With our question that's A level 2020 question number 3. People who are using the tute, can you all just tell me the number? A level 2020 question number 3. Tute page number put. I don't send it to me directly. Just send it to you. Page number 95, I guess. 96 the 6 or 95. Question page number 95. Question number 9. Do that, and if you can get that correct answer also, you can sleep peacefully today. Inshallah. Question number 9. අයිතනොල ඩව් එන්නේ නෑ ඇයිසර එහෙම ආගෙන ඩව් එන්නේ බේසිකලි ඔයාලා දන්නේ නෑ එච්චරයි එක්ක කරන්න පුළුවන් එක්ක දන්නේ නෑ එච්චරයි දෙකින් එකයි either you are able to do the question or either you can't do the question like you can't ask doubts also නේ බොරුවට අහන්නත් බෑ thank you guys for staying for a longer time especially for 3 hours you guys are staying I'll raise this pa let's see who comes and give the answer first do the question it's a while loop check whether I have no idea what is the answer can't remember the answer who remembers the questions 99 in වැරදි 99 out I got 100 wrong most probably I guess 79 තමයි answer එක එන්න ඕනේ 99 එන්නේ නෑ 79 100 පිස්සු 100 ඉඩා පාප වරපෝදු okay let's see x x y while okay what is the value of x x के value again 1 y the value is 100 is y less than 100 yes so let's repeat it what is x minus y minus x y minus x that's 99 x plus 1 that's 2 is x plus y what is x plus y 99 plus 2 is 101 is it less than 90 no if you can know that's no so no not the next number may I yes not tamai make you stop penny so it's like you stop when it becomes yes may I know when that's the basic idea okay so what is the value of x now that's 2 is 2 less than 100 yes yes we got yes y minus x 99 minus 2 that's 97 x plus 1 that's 3 is x plus y less than 90 97 plus 3 is 100 no is 100 is less than 90 not yet so you go up what is the value of x x is 97 sorry x is 3 is 3 is less than 100 still yes y minus x 97 minus 3 is 94. X plus 1 is 4. Right? Is x plus y, is it less than 90? No, not yet. Go up again. What is the value of x? 4. Is 4 less than 100? Yes. X, y minus x. 94 minus 4 is 90. I hope you are going in the flow. X plus 1 is 5. Is 90 plus 5, is it less than 90? Not yet. Nah. Keep doing it. Go up. Is x is less than 5? Yes. Y minus x will be 85. 85. 6. Is 85 plus 6, how much is it? 91. Is it less than 90? Nah. We have to do another one, I guess so. X is less than 100. Yes. Right. Y minus x. What is y minus x? 79. 85 minus 6 is 79. Okay. X plus 1 is 7. How much is it? X plus y. 79 plus 7 is 86. 86. Is it less than 90? Yes. End the code. Code dega 100 but then now we ended in print y. So guys, let's have a hooray for us, all of us together. Finally we got the answer. 79. Python is easy. Okay. Trust the professor. Exactly. Python is easy pa. Okay. The only thing is it's not hard. Basically you need to know the concept. Okay. I didn't have it anonymous. Next class I'll show it to you. I was trying to find it. If it's hard, you don't know basically. Okay. So thank you for all of y'all. Okay, staying all the time till 1 o'clock almost. Okay. So it's almost around 3 hours, especially. And also, if you guys go in towards YouTube, just drop a like and a comment and a share or subscribe. Okay. And also, the next thing is I will keep on doing these free classes. Okay, just keep on giving your feedbacks, lighting, board, explanation, okay, tuts. Just give your feedbacks. Those are the valuable things. We will always improve in there. Share the word with our classes, okay, about our class. That comes to end of our classroom for today. Good night to all of y'all. Do the other questions. We'll meet y'all in a now new session in that. Until then, okay, yeah, Maestro. Okay, see you next week.